Welcome back, viewers, to our September video. We are still on the topic of content structure, and today we're going to cover the second part of the 4 components that we talked about in our first video. Let me just remind you one more time, what are the 4 components of the introduction of the presentation? The first being opening, purpose, background, and objective. So let's dive into the one on purpose. Now, when you are preparing for a presentation, you've got to be very clear to state what is the purpose of this presentation, what is your role as a presenter in this presentation. That's what purpose is all about. And a good example of a purpose would be, the purpose of my presentation here today is to create the awareness of safety at the workplace. Or the purpose of my presentation here today is to give you a brief update on the status of project XYZ. So by you stating the purpose, your audience are very clear on your role and the purpose of this presentation. So that is purpose. Let's take a look at the next one. That is background. What is the background of this presentation? Now, it's crucial to understand, coming back from where we talked about in audience analysis, that there are proxy audience perhaps among the audience members attending your presentation. There could be people who are not so aware, who have been missing for a while from the past presentation. They may not know something about the topic that you're going to talk about. So it's very important in this component of background, where you need to actually share what is this topic about, a little bit of history or the problem statement. What is the issue that we are facing at the moment? What information would be helpful at a very preliminary stage of presentation. So as you're preparing the background part of the presentation, just keep this in mind. How can I bring my audience up to speed of what we are talking about here today? And that's the whole role of purpose of the presentation. Just make sure that they are brought up to speed on what this presentation is about. So we've just covered opening, purpose, and background. The next and the final one in the introduction would be objective, and I want to draw your attention in this area because this is a very important component of the introduction. Objectives. I'm sure you heard the word objectives before. Objectives in presentation, it simply means what would your audience be able to know or would be able to do upon hearing your presentation. Now, it's very crucial to understand that, as I've always mentioned, we are not celebrities. So people don't come to listen to us because we are famous people. In normal work or day-to-day presentations, people come with a clear objective to learn something, to know something, or to do something. So it's very crucial for us to understand how an objective is created. And the one very important component of an objective is to target, number one, what will the audience be able to know from this presentation? And number two, if there's a certain call for action later on in the presentation, you also need to state in the objective in the onset, what would your audience be able to do upon hearing this presentation. So as you're preparing several objectives of your presentation, it has to eventually tie with the body of presentation, and a very important element of objectives is that it has to have a verb, an action word. Now, let me give you an example of an objective of a presentation, and that is to understand the importance of safety at the workplace. So can you help me detect the verb? That's right, understand. To understand the importance of safety at the workplace. Another example would be to be aware of the changes taking place in the organization. Help me detect the verb. To be aware of the changes taking place in the organization. Let me give you the third one. To demonstrate the skills of questioning your employees. The key word here would be, that's right, demonstrate, the word demonstrate. So when you are building the objectives, you've got to be very clear that you have verbs. So as your audience are looking at the objectives either in the presentation slides or as you are presenting it, they are very clear on their role of, in this particular presentation. Now, if you ask me personally, many people actually leave out objective presentation with the assumption that audience should know. but that's in an ideal world. So ladies and gentlemen, let me just very quickly wrap up today's video. We talked about purpose and your role in the presentation, the role of the presentation itself. Number two, background, bringing the audience up to speed on what this whole presentation is about. A little bit of problem statement if there's any issues at hand, and objectives, clearly stating what the audience need to know and what they need to do. Okay, so that brings us to the end of module 1 on introduction, which covers in the last two videos opening, purpose, background, and objectives of the presentation. So we are still in the preparation stage. We're not talking about delivery, so I hope that as you're preparing a presentation, make sure these 4 components are in there and you're certainly well in your way to prepare for a great presentation. Thank you for watching.